chapter 2, verse 1 to 3. Wala ko minsay, hidden blessings in the midst of trials. Hidden blessings in the midst of trials. Job chapter 2. Verse 1 to 13. Aton ini basa responsive reading. I will read verse 1, kamit verse 2, but on verse 13, aton ini durunganon pagbasa. Na? In verse 1, again, there was a day when the sons of God came to present themselves before the Lord, and Satan came also among them to present himself before the Lord.
And the Lord said unto Satan, From whence comest thou? And Satan answered the Lord, and said, From going to and doing the earth, moving up and down in it.
And the Lord said unto Satan, Hast thou considered my servant Job, that there is none like him in the earth, a perfect and upright man, one that feareth God and cheweth evil, and still he holdeth fast his integrity, although thou hast moved me against him to destroy him without a cause.
And Satan answered the Lord, and said, Sin for sin, yea, all that the land hath to give me for his life.
But put forth thine hand now, and touch his bone and his flesh, and he will curse thee to thy face.
The Lord said unto Satan, Behold, he is in thine hand, but save his life.
So when Satan forth from the presence of the Lord, and smote Job with sore boils from the sole of his foot unto his crown.
And he took him a potsherd to scrape himself withal, and he sat down among the ashes.
Then said his wife unto him, Dost thou still retain thy integrity? Curse God and die.
But he said unto her, Thou speakest as one of the foolish women speaketh. What shall we receive good at the hand of God? And shall we not receive evil? In all this deed that Job said was.
Now when Job's three friends heard of all that evil was come upon him, they were every one from his own place, Eliphaz the Temanite, and Bildad the Shushite, and Super the Amatite, for they had made an appointment together to come to mourn with him and to comfort him.
And when they lifted up their eyes afar off, and know him not, they lifted up their voice and wept, and they rent every one his mantle, and sprinkled dust upon their heads towards heaven.
In verse 13, we read, So they sat down with him upon the ground 7 days and 7 nights, and men spake a word to him, for they saw that his grief was very great. Ang Diyos at magpanalang na itong ibasa, please be seated. Hidden blessing